This is why you should always check for intruders before entering a strange house. It was my fourth night in the old house, and I had the eerie feeling that someone was watching me. I checked behind all the windows and doors, but there was no one. Then, just as I'd dismissed it as my imagination, I heard a creaking coming from upstairs, faint but unmistakable. With trembling hands, I slowly opened the door to find out what it might be. When I stepped inside, I noticed pale blue light emanating from around the corner of the hallway. As soon as I reached it, an icy chill pervaded my body, filling me with terror as if something lurking on the other side wanted to devour me whole. And then they appeared. A pair of empty eyes peering out from across the room behind me, staring right through me like a ghostly apparition.